So this is a 2007 Honda Odyssey. It's the leather on it's pretty good, but the armrests are totally chewed up, and we're trying to get ready to sell it. And I didn't want to put seat covers on it because it would hide all the leather, but you could see something needed to be done. So we bought these aftermarket leather covers, and they look pretty good. So I'm real happy with it. They match the leather fairly good, except for the sun bleaching. But they're a pain in the neck to get on, so I want to kind of show you some tricks on how to do that. The first question I had is there a left and right arm? And these are perfectly symmetric. It makes no difference how you do it. I've actually put them on both armchairs to prove it. You can see the symmetry. The hinge point in the middle on the bottom is right in the middle of the armrest, and so there really is no difference in how you put them on. You can't put them on wrong. When you put it on, it's almost impossible to get these things to come down and slide down on this. You can see there's a lot of room in here, and really struggled with it. So we're going to put some silicone on this. Here's the silicone spray. You can get this anywhere, and what we'll do is just spray it up and down. Spray it inside there. So you can see I use two hands to pull this back, and what you really want to do is you need to get a tool. You need to get more leverage. I'm going to get a tool right in here to grab this inner flap so I can pull it over. It's just like a kind of a shoehorn effect. So I've got this nice little nail puller, and I'm going to cover this up so it doesn't rip through. But honestly, this is extremely tough. You can almost be as tough as you want on it. It's not going to rip. But this is kind of sharp right here, so I'm going to protect it. You can't physically pull this without having some leverage. So that's how you have to do it. So I was able to get it this far, and now I'm just going to bring it in by hand.